State Bank, rely on friendship. Friendship State Bank.
Have you been doing a little bit more of your banking these days using your phone? It's pretty handy when you can't make it into the branch, right? Well, here's my question for you. How are you logging into your account through your phone? Are you going to our website and logging in there? Or are you using the Friendship State Bank mobile app? I want to encourage you to try out the Friendship State Bank mobile app if you aren't. And here's the reason why. It's just a lot easier to read and it's a lot easier to navigate because it was designed specifically for you to view on your phone. And here is how you can download that app today. You're gonna start wherever you get your apps and you are gonna do a search for the Friendship State Bank. This is the app that you should expect to see. I'm gonna click the cloud icon because I have downloaded this app in the past, but you may have a get or buy option. Just a reminder that the Friendship State Bank mobile app is free, so you don't have to pay a dime for it. Once the app has downloaded, you're gonna wanna open it, and you are going to log in using your same login information that you would use through the website or on your desktop. So go ahead and log in. Now, when you log in for the first time, if you have a Touch ID option on your phone, you are going to be given the option to enable it for this app. So it means you can just log into your app using your thumbprint in the future. So it's a little bit quicker. It's pretty convenient. So you can enable that here. Just a quick note that when there is an update for the app, you will be required to log back in using that user ID and your password. And that's just for security reasons. So make sure that you remember your password or you jot it down and put it somewhere very safe and secure where you can refer back to it if needed. And then once you log in, this is what you're gonna see. That first time you'll have the option to customize it just like you can through the website. But then you're gonna see there on the left, you're gonna have all your options, pretty straightforward. On the right, you're gonna see all your accounts, deposit, loan, and anything else that you might have with us. Pretty easy to navigate, but if you do have any questions, please give us a call at 812-667-5101, and we hope this has been helpful in getting started.